welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please do subscribe. Today I am making a strawberry banana smoothie. So what I have here is my blender, yes, my $50 blender that I got from Superstore. You can use your fancy Ninja blenders if you need. What I have is a cup of ice. Let's put that in. Woo. Perfect. And then I have 2 cups of strawberries. It is still frozen, so what I do with these is I do buy the fresh strawberries and I freeze it, and then, well, I cut it up first and then I freeze it, and I find it is a lot better than the frozen ones just because I like fresh ones. So let's blend this up a little bit first. So we just blended up the ice and the strawberry. I had to put a little bit of milk in there for it to swirl around. This is not the best blender because every single time that you do put in the ice and the strawberry, you'll have to turn it around and do it bits by bits. But if you do purchase a new blender, let me know how that works, and maybe a Ninja blender. But anyway, which is what I want. Anyway, okay, so with this, okay, we can put our honey in there. It is about 1 tablespoon of honey. Make it a little sweeter. Perfect. And then your banana as well. Oh. And then, so the honey, actually, I got it from a farmer in Edmonton here. I do believe they have a farm, or one of their friends have a farm. And this is the container that it comes with, and I do believe it was about $8 for that entire thing, so which is amazing. So let's put our banana in here. Okay, perfect. Close this up. We don't want a mess in here. Okay, everything, and I may have to add more milk in here just to get a little bit more liquidy, but again, that depends on your preference. If you do want it a little bit more thicker, you can always add yogurt as well. So let's mix this up and then we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so after messing around with this thing a little bit, this is done. Let's open this up. Directly put that in here. Oh, okay. So you can do with these smoothies with your strawberry, banana. You can add any fruits that you want in here. I like mine with a little bit of mint too. If you grab some fresh mints in this, oh my god, it's delicious. So let's drink up. Cheers. Yep. Okay. I can taste the banana. Okay. And the strawberry. Well, this is it for today. I hope you like my smoothie video. I know it's going to be a little short one, but don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.